Simple question I'm going to ask. For how many people you are going to wish for birthday? Suppose I remembered your birthday. I made a phone call. Okay, Venkatramana, very happy. Many happy returns of the day, Venkatramana. So this year, okay, your future should be very happy. You should reach two good position. Like on your birthday, if I can make a phone call, then what about your feeling about Durga sir?
I'm very excited.
So just observe. So I started giving importance to you, knowing your birthday and then wishing. This is what genuine interest. Observe that unconditional interest. If you can show, then automatically, definitely is going to like us, likes us. Remember that he likes me. Obviously, array missions are doing, man. Day before yesterday, not day before yesterday, 30th July, 5 days before. I got a mail. I got a mail from HDFC saying, happy birthday to my missus. Okay, my missus name. Okay. Happy birthday, like birthday message I got. My missus birthday. I know. I know. But today is not right. How the HDFC people are sending this birthday message to me? Like really, I got shocked. Then I came to know. Just very recently, I mean, 6 months or 3 months, 4 months before, 6 months before, I took HDFC Ergo health policy. Have you remembered, right? They
Yes, sir.
capture date of birth. They keep on sending birthday messages. Even ICICI Bank people, HDFC people, they're sending because to tell that you are very important for us. They are using this importance technique in their business, man. Just by seeing that message, I went there to the house, and then at the night, I went there to the house. Happy birthday, like I wish her. Really, she got shocked. Today is my birthday. Yes, as per certificate, today is your birthday. She felt a bit happy. Certificate birthdays also we are celebrating, right? Remember, I used that HDFC message because by mail only I gave for all the people. Certificate birthday is different, personal birthdays are different for most of the people who are coming from village backgrounds.
Yes.
Remember, start giving importance for the opposite people, genuine interest. Then the people are going to let you, man. Wherever you go, you're always going to get grand welcome. Okay? Wonderful concept, dosto.